I'm Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the WaterField Designs Travel Light Dopp Kit, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe so we can keep bringing you content to help you travel smarter. Now let's dive in. The WaterField Designs Travel Light Dopp Kit comes in 3 sizes, and we've got 2 here. We've got the small, which is a 2-liter pouch, the medium, which is a 3.5 liter, and then the large is a 6-liter pouch. And you can see each one just grows by about 1 inch all the way around. The other one would be about 1 inch all the way around, bigger than the medium here. The fabric is really interesting. It's this Italian Forza textile, and it's basically a basket weave of nylon threads. And I'll show you the design there. Yeah, so you can see it's got this really interesting texture, sort of a 2-tone look to it. And we've got the green, as you can see here, but there's also red and blue in this Forza, or the black is a ballistic nylon. So there's that. The zipper here is water resistant, which is good. Obviously on a Dopp kit, you want to keep usually actually liquids from getting out, but also getting in maybe, you know. And then we've got the WaterField Designs logo here on a patch. Just really classy looking. And then there's 2 loops. So we've got this larger one up here, so you could like hang it on a hook if you wanted, but we're gonna get to why that's not always the greatest in use. But also you got this one, which is good because they're good to hold when you're zipping and unzipping them to sort of make it over what you've got inside. Let's go inside now, shall we? When you open it up, you can see it's got this nice water resistant coating, which is easy to clean. And like you can just wipe it with a damp cloth, or if you empty it, you can turn it completely inside out and run it under some water. Comes clean really easily, so that's good. And also because there's water resistance there and water resistance on the zippers, you know, if your makeup bottle breaks open or your shampoo bottle cap flips, you know, all your toiletries are going to be covered, but it's not going to really make a mess, hopefully, outside of your pack, so that's good. Let's look inside here. So this is the medium kit, and you can see I've got, this is a razor and some toothpaste, a couple of toiletry bottles, hairbrush, got some body balm there, soap, and pill container. So you can see you can fit quite a lot in there because as you pack it, it expands like that. So, but what that means is that when it is all packed out, it can be hard to find what's on the bottom because everything's sort of blocking everything else. Okay, so you can see as I'm going through here and shoving it all in, yes, it all fits, but now, let me zip it up. There we go. So you can see it sort of like expands, but then it's just like because of the way it has these like hexagonal corners, it doesn't always expand the way you'd like it to. And so things can sort of get lost. And also, like, it's hard to, like, right now I can't really get at that razor I had in there. So they intend for you to get to your destination and unpack it. They don't intend for you to really be living out of this. So if that's how you like to travel, then this works, because as you can see, there's no internal organization there. It's just all open space. So if you're cool with that, then that's great, but there's no like pouches or whatever. They're gonna like contain things so you know exactly where your, you know, toothbrush is or whatnot, because it will definitely shift around as you travel. Also, because they pack down so flat, let me show you that again. I would almost recommend going larger than you think, because it won't take up a lot of space if you don't fill it, okay? So you can see how thin that is? So if you didn't fill it, it wouldn't take up as much room, but like a hairbrush, a full-size hairbrush, which, you know, maybe you've got a travel one and then that's okay, but a full-size hairbrush won't fit in the small one. It like barely fits here in the medium. A toothbrush will fit in the small one. You can fit quite a bit in the small one, really, but not like a hairbrush and stuff like that. So it's like if you have longer items, you may just want to go with a larger one, like the medium or the large, just to have the extra length, and then just not pack it all out, and it wouldn't take up 6 liters worth of space, if you get what I'm saying. Also, you know, so we've got these nice loops here, and so if you hang it up, that's going to be really awesome, but then you're not going to want to use it while it's hanging, or your items could just pop right out while it's hanging, potentially. So just keep that in mind if you were to, say, want to use that to access like your shampoo and whatnot. Be careful you don't have other things that are just going to topple out on you in the shower. So there you have it, the WaterField Designs Travel Light Dopp Kit. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.